I'm using this article from Time for Kids magazine to do some research on monarch butterflies. Since I'm going to be using it in my research, I need to cite it. So in a new tab, I am going to go to easybib.com. So I have one tab that says Easybib and one that has my article. Now, first I need to choose what kind of source I'm citing, and it is a website. So to cite a website, I need to use its URL. So if I go back to my tab that has my article here, then the URL is at the top of the screen. I'm going to highlight all of it and right-click on it to push copy. Then I'm going to go back to my Easybib tab, click in the box, right-click, and push paste. Now I push cite it, and Easybib finds most of the information that it can, but it tells me I'm going to have to look for a few pieces myself. So I push continue, and anything that I need to find is going to be in red. So I need to look for the author's first name, last name. So if I go back to my article, I can see right here at the top that this article is by Cameron Keaty. So I'm going to go back over and put in that person's name, making sure I spell it correctly. Okay. And then I need to find the publisher or sponsor of this website, which is Time for Kids. Okay. And then I need to find out which day, month, and year this article was published, which should again be at the top. There it is, February 11th, 2015. So first is the date. That came out today. And then I push create. And now here's my citation. So I can just highlight it and again right click to copy, and I can paste that into my presentation.